May pag-ibig townhouse ka na sa Cavite na halos katumbas lang ng renta ang monthly? Kung budget-friendly ang hanap mo at gusto mo ng sariling bahay, stop scrolling dahil baka ito na ang pinakamura na makita mo today. This is a pre-selling bare finished townhouse located in Barangay Malainin Bago, Nai, Cavite. Tahimik na area, fresh environment at perfect para sa first-time home buyers at young families. Check the features. Townhouse, pre-selling, bare finish, pag-ibig financing, Nai Cavite. Lot area 50 square meter, floor area 44 square meter, provision for 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Bonus features pa to ha, solar panel system, rainwater and freshwater storage tanks, door and window screens, meaning tipid ka na sa kuryente at mas prepared ka sa everyday living. Now, let's talk about the numbers. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit mabilis maubos ang units. Total contract price, 2,408,400. Reservation fee, 12,000. Total down payment, 89,400. 9 months DP, 9,933 per month. Pag-ibig loan, 2,307,000. 30 years monthly amortization, 14,205 lamang. Required income, 40,585. Reminder lang, pre-selling units ang pinakamabilis maubos lalo na pag-ibig. Habang maaga, mas mababa ang presyo kapag nag-price increase, sayang ang chance mo. Ang kailangan mo lang ihanda, 2 government valid IDs at 1 month payslip. Madali lang. We assist you step by step. So kung gusto mo ng murang pag-ibig townhouse sa Cavite, pre-selling, may solar panel at monthly na kayang-kaya. Message us now for free house tour assistance. This could be your first step to owning your own home. Don't miss it!